Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim and powered by a 3.3-liter V6 engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing, and coming with running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in, and with a new look inside and out, looking very sleek. But let's take a look inside. And first, looking at the back seat, where you have seating for three spaciously and comfortably, which can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo you might want to put back here. And then in the middle, you have two fold-out cup holders, as well as a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C. And then looking in the front, but first you have a remote start in this vehicle, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your truck. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now, sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your digital speedometer, your trip 1 and 2 information, your driver assistance features, your fuel economy, eco coach, and comm screen. And then moving on to the left screen, or left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system, and then you have your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. And then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to. And you have your Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other, your truck features in general, such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. With reverse sensors that will also alert you. And you have dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer, hopefully. Then above your screen, you have your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, hazards, traction control shut off, and then moving down from your screen, you have your media controls and your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left of that, you have your 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. Then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. But then moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and a USB and USB-C again, as well as this button up here to open this compartment above your glove box. Then moving down from your climate controls, you have another 12-volt and another USB and USB-C, as well as having a shelf here where you can put your device while it's charging or something like that. Moving on to your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then onto your center console area, where you have two cup holders and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious, but then this does lift up and out of the way to become your 5th passenger seat and 6th seat overall, so plenty of seating in this truck too. Then underneath that, you actually have another lockable compartment with plenty of storage in there too, but that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.